The Squirrel S Faith. Once upon a time, in a squirrel called Dora, who lived with her children in a beautiful wood. For a day, I went out to look for feet, and when I returned, I didn't find neither the tree where they live, neither to your family. And she was desperate, look for them, and then I started about happen. But no one knew nothing. Therefore she continued with the search, but suddenly falling in a trap of a hunter. The same who cut down the tree, it had carried your children to a zoo. There was little the possibilities of finding your family. So Dot started to cry because she was desperate. Nevertheless, when night fell appeared a fairy godmother. Was her why was crying? And she told her the reason. Then the fairy godmother gave an opportunity for relief. But in short, transparent human, unlike this she was happy because she would could go look for your children. So, spent many days until she found them. But there was another issue because she was transparent human, and your children, when saw her they lived running scared. The issue was not because she was human, no animal. So she should not become an animal. But you how? So again she was depressive and started to cry, but this time fairy godmother no appeared. But Dora had an idea. I'll come back at the zoo to check if the fairy godmother appeared there. On the contrary, who appeared was the same hunter who kidnapped to her and their children. But this time he took advantage the ugly and funny appearance of Dora as humor for transfer her in a cloud, and so that she could work in a circus. This gay against kidnapped her, and even so she could do nothing in this way. He eventually passed the time until arrived the great day, and the fairy godmother appeared. They make him to here again, in a squirrel in nest. She goes back of your children, and they decide get all their good for be happy again. The moral of the story is always we must have faith matter the situation, because at the end always will happen things surprise and inexplicable. The end. Thanks. Bye bye.